We're learning to subtract by splitting numbers into parts. As we get better at adding and subtracting, this is a strategy that will really help us. So our example is Baxter had 25 dog biscuits. He ate 7 of them. How many did Baxter have left? Okay, so let's work this out. And we'll look at our example here to show us. So we've got, starting with 25. So 25 minus 7. And then we're going to split it into parts. So instead of having 7, we're actually going to split our 7 into 5 and into 2. So then we can say 25 minus 7, 25 minus 5 equals 20, and then 20 minus 2 equals 18. Okay, so that so 25 minus 7 equals 18. So we've used the splitting numbers into parts strategy to do this.